You stare at your computer screen at 2 in the afternoon, wondering why your brain feels like it is operating through wet cement. You slept 8 hours, you had your morning coffee, and you checked off your morning priorities. Yet the mental clarity required to execute your afternoon tasks or focus on your long-term financial goals has completely vanished. You feel physically present but cognitively stranded. Have you ever wondered why your internal engine suddenly stalls out despite your best intentions? Most people assume they simply lack discipline or need a stronger dose of willpower. We consume productivity tips, hoping for an external hack that never quite fixes the underlying fatigue. But what if the missing link to sustained daily energy and sharper decision-making has nothing to do with time management? What if the physical foundation of your career success and personal confidence begins in a humble glass jar of fermented vegetables sitting quietly on a store shelf? Long before modern wellness trends promised overnight transformations, historical explorers relied on fermented foods to survive unforgiving environments. Consider 18th century naval expeditions where scurvy destroyed entire crews during months at sea. Captain James Cook navigated the globe with remarkable crew survival rates not through advanced synthetic medicine, but by packing wooden barrels with fermented cabbage. Research suggests the natural fermentation process multiplies vitamin C content and preserves raw nutrients without artificial intervention. Cook did not understand molecular biology. He simply observed that this sharp, sour food gave his men the physical resilience to endure brutal conditions. This historical example illustrates a timeless principle. Our daily output and long-term resilience depend entirely on the biological fuel we choose to ingest. What actually occurs during the transformation of a fresh vegetable into a traditional fermented food? When you submerge raw cabbage or cucumbers in a saltwater brine, you establish an anaerobic environment where harmful pathogens cannot survive. Evidence indicates that beneficial lactobacillus bacteria naturally present on the plant surface begin to consume available starches. As they feed, these microbes produce lactic acid, which creates the characteristic sour crunch and stabilizes the food. But the transformation goes beyond preservation. The microbial action essentially pre-digests the tough cellular walls of the vegetable. When you consume these living foods, the nutrients become highly bioavailable, meaning your digestive system spends far less energy extracting them. You gain an efficient nutritional return on a very small daily investment. Beyond basic digestion, the fermentation process acts as a miniature nutritional laboratory. Studies show that microbial activity synthesizes a complex array of B vitamins, which serve as the primary chemical catalysts your nervous system uses to convert food into cellular energy. Have you ever considered that your afternoon brain fog might simply be a biological signal that your nervous system is starved of accessible B nutrients? Adding a forkful of active fermented food to your midday meal provides your body with the direct chemical support it needs to maintain steady focus through the final hours of the workday. Furthermore, research indicates these microbes synthesize vitamin K2, an essential compound that directs calcium into your skeletal structure while discouraging accumulation within soft vascular tissues. You are quietly building a more resilient physical frame while supporting long-term cardiovascular health through a simple dietary habit. It is an elegant example of how microscopic actions yield meaningful long-term bodily stability. Yet the influence of your gut microbiome extends directly into your cognitive processing and emotional baseline. We operate in a competitive environment where the quality of your daily choices dictates your financial and professional trajectory. If your mind is burdened by constant low-grade inflammation, making clear, rational decisions becomes remarkably difficult. Have you ever wondered why a period of poor nutrition leaves you feeling unusually anxious or pessimistic about your future plans? Neuroscience investigates the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication network linking your digestive tract directly to your central nervous system. Evidence suggests that a significant percentage of the body serotonin, the neurotransmitter associated with emotional balance and stable mood regulation, is produced by microbial activity within the intestinal tract. When your microbiome is dominated by inflammatory bacteria fueled by refined sugars, it can contribute to systemic inflammation that may impact mental clarity. By introducing beneficial probiotics found in fermented foods, you actively support a balanced microbial community. This balance helps reduce bodily inflammation and produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which studies suggest support overall brain health and neuroplasticity. You experience greater emotional stability and clearer focus when your biological foundation is properly supported. Consider how this biological support translates into everyday discipline and productivity. When your daily energy remains stable, you no longer rely on erratic bursts of motivation to finish important projects. You possess the mental bandwidth to read that book on financial literacy, to communicate patiently with your colleagues, or to address family responsibilities with a calm presence. Health is not a magical shortcut to wealth or success. It is the reliable infrastructure that allows your existing intelligence and ambition to function without internal interference. To harness these advantages, you must ensure you are choosing the right products at the market. A common mistake is purchasing mass-produced pickles preserved with vinegar rather than natural brine. If the ingredient list includes vinegar and lacks live cultures, the vegetables have likely been pasteurized and the beneficial bacteria eliminated. You must look for products fermented naturally in water and salt, typically located in the refrigerated section, to ensure the active cultures remain present and viable. Replacing one processed snack a day with a small serving of authentic sauerkraut or kimchi takes only moments, yet builds a compounding positive habit over time. You already possess the drive and capability to reach your personal and professional targets. By providing your body with the proper biological fuel, you remove unnecessary obstacles and set the stage for consistent long-term achievement. Thank you for joining us today on the Health and Wealth channel as we explored the science of the microbiome and human potential. If this perspective on daily habits and nutrition resonated with you, please support our mission by liking this video and sharing your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly discussions on building a stronger, sharper, and more successful life. Until next time, keep making those small, intentional choices that compound into extraordinary results. Please note that the information provided on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only, and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician regarding any medical condition.